Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. This is the regular morning traffic in Hawaii on a weekday. Yikes. Hey everyone, I'm gonna bring you along with me as I'm hanging out in town with my cousin. I had a doctor's appointment and I had to go to the beauty supply store to pick up some things. And my cousin who lives out here always tells me, call me when you're in town so we can link up. And so that's exactly what I did. I am waiting outside of her building. We're gonna go grab a bite and get some coffee and catch up. So I'll bring you along with me. Hey!
Everything bagel is what it's called, scuffin. It has cream cheese inside and everything bagel seasoning and bacon cheddar chive scuffins.
Yum. And then Mel got the black sesame.
Yes,
and
latte.
I got the green tea latte. Cheers.
Cheers!
And we have this smoked salmon toast from Argos.
It's raining. Good thing we got the umbrella.
I know. It just started raining. But good thing we're under this cute umbrella.
It was like hit the pole, the yellow flag.
Hit the pole of the yellow
hit the-
flag.
hit-
Oh, wow. Talent. Must be the Walmart shoes. Where'd that one go?
See the, not this first tree, but the tree in the back. Went over that. I sent these balls back to the warehouse where it came from.
Right.
You can hear Rustin playing golf upstairs and it's so annoying. Look what Peyton's stepmom gave us. Some beautiful dragon fruit. Can't wait to eat this later. Thank you.
No, I don't face.
It's still alive. Is that it? That is so not satisfying. We're missing the roof.
2, 3. That looks satisfying. There you go, guys. Oh, I didn't hit the screen.
Okay, we're gonna try the dragon fruits. I don't even know how to cut a dragon fruit.
Just cut it.
Just cut it?
Just cut it.
Okay, I'm gonna treat it like a pineapple. Whoa. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna cut it like a watermelon. And then you guys can eat it like
That's a
this.
small rectangle one.
Oh, let's cut it a little thinner. Everyone grab their piece. Cheers.
Eats it with chopsticks.
Try it. She's like,
Nice texture. I like it sweet.
uh-oh, mine's falling.
Oh, excuse me.
Ew, now you gotta change it. Life hack. If you have allergies,
Just a switch it on.
no, you can't.
What is this?
You can't tell. Pinch your nose part. If you have allergies, just shove tissue up your nose and put your mask on.
Excuse you.
Oh,